Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix NTE Neverness to Everness game error, and the error is out of video memory trying to allocate a rendering resources. Make sure your video card has the minimum required memory. Try lowering the resolution and slash or closing other application data running. So if you're getting this out of video memory error in the game NTE Neverness to Everness, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check and make sure that your graphic card driver is up to date. If not, then update it to the latest version. So the first fix is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. In my case, the game is installed in C drive, program files, Neverness to Everness game folder. Open the client folder, Windows no editor, HT folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this HT game exe file and then click on add. After adding, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. You can also select a specific GPU one, NVIDIA GeForce. If it is showing your dedicated graphic card over here, then select it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to select high performance in NVIDIA control panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA control panel and open it. Then click on manage 3D settings, then go to program settings, then click on add, and here search for the NTE game. Here it is. But in your case, if you don't find NTE game, then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files folder, open Neverness to Everness game folder, open the client folder, Windows no editor, HT, binaries, Win64, and then select this HT game exe file and then click on open. And once the game is selected, select high performance and then hit on apply, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to disable the integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Now expand the display adapters. Here it is. Now right click on this graphic card driver and then select disable device and then click on yes to confirm, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and then right click on it and then select enable device. Since I have not disabled it, you will see the enable device option. So click on enable device, but after playing the game. So I hope by following these 3 fixes, you can easily solve out of video memory trying to allocate a rendering resources error in NTE Neverness to Everness game. But if still your problem is not solved, then follow the fixes from another video. I have provided this link in my video description, or you can also open my YouTube channel and scroll down, and here you will see fix NTE Neverness to Everness crashing, crashes at startup, freezing, not loading or black screen issue on PC. So you can watch this video and follow the fixes mentioned in this video and check if your problem is solved or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.